Hi, Ash Kelso, co-founder and CEO of HiveLite here. And today I want to just go through the new SmarterDrafter Deeplinks functionality and how that works in really powerfully with HiveLite to deliver a great workflow solution for any firm, really. So it doesn't matter what stack they're using, you can put this in and you can think of HiveLite. Potentially, it is a work delegation machine. You can add the work in either ad hoc or via workflows, then track that it's completed in the app. It's going to do that automatically for you. And then you can also train your staff at scale with our workflows, which are also good for assigning work really quickly and in bulk if you need to. And this is also where you can go and add in SmarterDrafter Deeplinks. So let's see this in action. So what we do is we go to Matter and let's go and add in a workflow. Here we go. Here's one that's got SmarterDrafter links in it. We'll add this on. This is just a simple 2-stage roadmap workflow. So it's got milestones in it, which helps break the work up, really helpful. If it's just a straight up to-do list style workflow, it's going to become overwhelming because you can add a lot of tasks into HiveLite at once. And so it's let that load up. There we go. It has loaded 2 milestones and a bunch of tasks into this HiveLite Matter. And you see when you're working with HiveLite, you just drag and drop, simple, and it will start updating the taskbar at the top. And we'll just go on to the next one. And here we go. Let's say we are preparing some documents. We're going to work on this one that's got a SmarterDrafter link in it. We open that task up. Here's some instructions, so you can template in instructions for how you want work completed, really helpful. And we're going to do this 1-page NDA. So we'll just click on this. This will take us straight into SmarterDrafter. It will specify what practice management system this is associated with. You can also associate with document management systems like iManage, no problem at all. It's picked up on the client. The document we're going to do, the system we're going to save it into, and then we stick on Start. And I picked this one because it's pretty quick to run through just to demonstrate the concept. There we go. And yeah. And that's quick, great. So now it's time to submit the form. We'll just give it a name and then we'll submit that and done. And so that's been submitted successfully. What's going to happen now in the background is it's going to save into Clio. This will also work with other systems too, quite a range of systems. And then it will cycle back and update in our HiveLite as well that it's been done with a link to go and check it out. So I've just refreshed that. And there we go. The note has appeared now to let us know that the document has been completed and saved correctly to our system. And then we've also got a link through to go and view that document straight from within HiveLite. And here's the document that we just generated using SmarterDrafter, using the Deeplinks technology. So how do we set this up? How does it work? And what the heck does Deeplinks even mean? They mean these things. So these are clever formatted links that you can create with SmarterDrafter. And when we combine them with the variables functionality that we have in HiveLite, which is these bits with the curly brackets, becomes even more powerful, especially from a workflow context, because it means that either at the matter level or at the workflow level, we can put these links into tasks and they're going to pull things like the matter ID and the task ID, for example, either for associated apps. This one's paired up with Clio. It can be paired up with other things like iManage and whatever, and also the matter ID and task ID for the individual task and matter in HiveLite. So pretty handy. You can pull these IDs from multiple different apps associated with the same matter in HiveLite. So what we do is, you see, you've got matter ID, so we're telling it what matter it's associated with. We're going to tell it what app we're dealing with as well, whether we want to automatically send the document to be saved to that other app. Once done, it's saying true, and then the external ID. So we're going to pass through the task ID and matter ID. So it means that when we get the webhook back, HiveLite understands where to put the note and what this is about when it gets that webhook back from SmarterDrafter, which has been another recent addition. So let's kind of show how easy this is, right? We'll do this one just matter level on the task. This will work the same when we do it in one of the workflows as well. It is pretty simple. So we just go here and go create a task, give this a name, create a document. Now we're going to do generate new document. I'm going to highlight that, make it into a link, paste that link in that we just created with the deep links functionality from SmarterDrafter. There we go. We'll now assign that to some people, someone to do it, someone to review it. Got all the bits in there. Good. Done. Let's create that task for us. Yeah, create a document. Click on that. And here it is with the link in place. And you might see highlighted just down the bottom in the black text that it has gone and converted to pull in the actual matter ID and task ID. And now just click on that, and that will start the process just like we did before. It is just that simple. And here we are again. It's pulled in the document we want to do, client, matter, name, and also the app that we're going to be saving this to. So that's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. And there you go. That is Deep Links working with HiveLite to create workflows with document automation capability. Pretty fantastic, pretty simple, and really great developments from SmarterDrafter team. Cheers.